Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see, I'm back with tech. Hey, obviously the microphone audio might be a bit bad, so don't mind that. I'm recording on my Linux PC, which is for one very rare. So yes, as you can tell, we are gonna be installing Peppermint OS. It is obviously a Linux distribution, and I'm installing it right now as the installation process. Do note, this will only cover the installation, and the overview and review will be done in a separate video. So now we're going to use the ISO image here that we've chose, Peppermint 10, and press next. And I'm gonna, the guest host is not any of the above, it's Linux, I guess. Version is not written. Probably based off, at the back of my head I would say Debian, but I have no clue, so I'm just going to choose other Linux. And yeah, we can just start there. Next we're gonna give this, ooh yeah, something I didn't think of. I'm gonna give it 20 gigs cause I actually do not have enough space for operating systems on this. So yeah, I'm gonna do 20 gigs. And then I'm gonna customize hardware here. 2 cores would be good, but RAM, I have 32 gigs, so I'm gonna allocate this amount. Great, then now we're just gonna close this menu. Now there's 8 gigs of RAM, finish and close. Great, let's hope that's enough RAM. And great, we have Peppermint OS, and we are not gonna pass this through cause I'm recording audio, and that might actually just, I need to open OBS now. And yes, my audio is still working. That's nice, right? Yeah, okay, it's still working. Now let me just, no clue, I've just done I'll press control, my bad. Now I have to restart this thing, so I'm gonna have to pause it, stop it. Okay, then we're gonna have to reboot it. And no, that's not reboot. Question, are you restart? Yes, restart. Thank you. Wow, complicated. Gotta install Peppermint OS. Okay, now it's installing. Hopefully. Okay, now it's starting up. Wait, I think I pressed Credit Live, but I'm quite sure I can install it from there. Look what I expect. So yeah, my mic might be a bit bad because I'm using an IPvo mic with AI enhancement on, but I don't know whether that'll be better or is it just my background noise. Okay, great. First problem is not fitting to screen. Not really that necessary for it to fit the screen, but you can see it's way better quality, it's way smoother than my iMac. Cause I mean my iMac did become better, but the heat and everything. We're just gonna have not one solution. New. And yeah, and my mic, yes, it is a bit bad. Please bear with it, thank you. Okay, now I really need the view to be better, so see if there's any auto fit, yes. View. Auto side. No, no. I shall try to fit view. Fit window now. And that doesn't help much, but okay. Go and full screen exclusively. Stretch best. Okay, yes, this works now. Let's continue, and this is our boot medium. Let's install it there. Yeah. Back. No cloud to create a partition table. Erase and install Peppermint. Okay, so right, changes to this continue. Okay, now we wait for this to load. Let's hope this works now, considering hopefully I did something different. I'm filming this at 1 AM, so yes, it works, I guess. Continue, my name, quality, and yes, it recognizes it as a VM process. My password obviously 3456. Yes, don't worry, I'm not using this as a real PC, so yeah, log in automatically, and yeah, this should be done after it copies the files, and you're okay. I can't even read, that's because I stretched it. Now I have to unstretch it. There, just do. Okay, never mind. This did. Okay, that didn't help much, but okay, y'all can read this. So yeah, and yeah, the file copying, it is very fast here. It's Linux, so don't really know. I'm only doing this as a installation video, cause the review video will come up as the second part. This will come up the day I make it, so I'm gonna film it at like 1 AM and probably upload it immediately. Cause I don't really see the necessity or whatever the word is to use it. So yeah, this is a very light OS, so I mean it should be fine. I'm gonna be installing operating systems throughout the night and filming them the next day. So, and afterwards when school starts I cannot be doing this more often, so yeah, sorry about that. Okay, and the installation is almost finished. That is very cool. And this is our we have wire connection and we have audio. Okay, this is pretty cool considering it's I don't really know whether you consider it cool, but I mean it's an operating system. It's nonetheless like elementary OS for some reason. This reminds me of that. Doesn't remind me much of Ubuntu, but actually I mean the top bar does, but not the rest. Okay, now it's installing the system. Okay, they have few web games. Nice. Okay, can read it. Quite sure it's my display, but I'm gonna try using it. That did not help at all. Oh, and I can just get yeah, not sure. Nearly thought I crashed my own PC for a moment. Oh yeah, and this is connectable to a ESXi server. I have it connected to my Raspberry Pi ESXi on arm's Fling server, and access my VMs from here. It's gonna take 3 more minutes for this. Okay, so return. 3 seconds. Okay, that's fast. And now I should just install the rest. I'm gonna skip loop. I'm not gonna try skipping it. Retrieving files. Okay. I'm gonna lower my mic so it doesn't happen. Ooh, the center of gravity on my mic right now. Great. Now it's create the user. Okay. And this is installing as sudo. Or su, I guess. Sudo it's not really doing anything. I mean it is doing things, but sudo. Anyways, those who do not, sudo it stands for super user do. So super user, which is su, which is root, so you'll be able to install stuff on your PC. And yes, I'm just gonna take it as this is based off Ubuntu, considering it's cloning from Ubuntu Play. So Ubuntu Play, what kind? Ubuntu thingy that I can't really remember what is it called. My apologies. Exclusive mode. I've actually no clue what exclusive mode. Oh. Because I really need that for a moment. And I need auto size to stretch this. And how about now I go into exclusive mode and press into exclusive mode. Okay, so this should be better now. For you maybe, I don't know about me, but I mean it's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna install some stuff. Python, it's rare to see an OS Python loading. I mean, unless it's installing the Python thing, then sure. Now it's installing main system. It should finish in a very short while. What did I say? Oh, it's just downloading. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah, if you guys like my video, please leave a like and subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have anything, just comment down below. I will read it. And I will mostly reply to most of your comments. So yeah, if it's a question, obviously. If it's just saying hi, I mean, I'll probably say hi back, cause why not? And it's grab and stuff here. You can also try making your own OS, but I don't really know how possible that is. So yeah, cause I've never tried. I mean, I did try, didn't get much luck. Didn't continue trying. Okay, I'm skipping this if I can, cause that's a lot of files that I really cannot sit here and wait for it to install. Let's hope there was enough files to get Peppermint to boot. Yeah, I know, me just trying my luck here, but I'm quite sure it should still work. If it boots, then that'll be it. If it isn't, then we have some troubleshooting to do. I'm quite sure it will boot. I trust Linux. I take that back. That seemed like a USB module having some trouble. I wouldn't jump to conclusions. I wouldn't dare say it's a kernel panic, but ooh, seems bad. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, no, never mind. We are in. Wow, that's good. And I mean, since it's installed, you all know what this means. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So yeah, anyways, if you all like it, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Oh wait, what did I do? I can't end this. Actually, yes, I can. Bye bye.